Have you ever found yourself staring at your Questrade app, wondering how to turn those investments into cold, hard cash? Well, you're not alone. In today's video, we're going to break down the simple steps on how to sell your assets on the Questrade app. Selling on Questrade is a straightforward process, but it's essential to understand the basics to avoid any hiccups. Whether you're looking to cash in on a winning trade or simply rebalance your portfolio, this guide will have you covered. Step 1. Understanding your assets. Before we dive into the selling process, let's take a moment to understand the different types of assets you can sell on Questrade. This includes stocks, shares of a company; ETFs, exchange-traded funds, which are baskets of securities; options, contracts that give you the right to buy or sell an asset at a specific price; mutual funds, pools of investments managed by a professional. Step 2. Navigating the Questrade app. Log in, open the Questrade app and enter your login credentials. Find your asset, tap on the Portfolio tab to view your holdings. Locate the asset you want to sell. View details, tap on the asset to see its current price, quantity, and other relevant information. Step 3. Placing a sell order. Choose a sell type. You can choose between a market order, executes at the current market price, or a limit order, sets a maximum or minimum price for the trade. Enter quantity, specify the number of shares or units you want to sell. Review and confirm, double-check the details of your order and tap sell. Step 4. Understanding fees and taxes. Trading fees. Questrade charges a commission for each trade. The fee amount may vary depending on your account type and the size of the trade. Taxes. Selling your investments may trigger capital gains or losses, which are subject to taxation. Consult with a financial advisor for personalized tax advice. Step 5. Monitoring your order. Order status. After placing your sell order, you can track its status in the Open Orders section of the app. Execution. Once your order is filled, the proceeds will be credited to your Questrade account. Additional tips. Stop-loss orders. Consider using stop-loss orders to protect your profits or limit your losses. Market volatility. Be aware of market conditions and how they can impact your trades. Consult a financial advisor. If you're unsure about selling or have specific investment goals, seek advice from a qualified professional. Selling on the Questrade app is a simple process that can help you achieve your financial objectives. By following these steps and understanding the key factors involved, you can confidently manage your investments and maximize your returns. With that said, thanks for watching, and until next time.